Shows how tired I am. I forgot to start recording. So this is going to be my little cage here. And while it's not exactly sleek and slim, it's not nearly the lowest thing hanging down on my truck. So, you know, of course the rear diff is way lower, obviously. And even the tow receiver is lower. So, I'm not going to be breaking any major rules. That'll be up in there another 2 inches. So looks like with the way that things are curved, I'm probably going to take a hammer and give these a couple whacks. So these ones go that way, these ones go that way. Sorry, can you even see? No. So these ones go that way a little bit. And these back ones go towards the back a little more. Just like, I mean, I need to overall accomplish like ½ an inch between both sides moving. Then I'll level the tops of these legs, whatever you want to call them. Put some metal on there. Weld some metal to the poles so that I can screw through it up there into the bracket. And yeah, should be good. So on with the whatever. I'm tired. I want to be done. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Sure am glad to have you. I'm glad to be here. Today is my first day back in the shop after 19 days of being bedridden, so I don't know how much I'm going to get done, but hopefully at least get this done. We started this air horn project, well, probably about a month ago, and everything got put on hold after I got hurt, ended up in bed. So, like I said, probably going to be slow going, so I'll probably do a lot of editing, but I'm going to give it a shot. So, let's get to it. Well, I've done some cleaning up, not a lot, but some. Now I'm going to see if I can move my truck, which is one of the most painful things I can possibly imagine, trying to work that clutch. That. Yay, success. Moving on. Sorry about the fan, but it's still hot as crap out here. So, next step, I think where I left off was I'm going to make some feet, put on the ends of this so I can bolt it up to the truck. And I need to work on making those level, but the table's not level, so that's going to be fun. So that's where we are now. I'm going to make some feet. 3 pieces. I need 1 more. Yay. Alright, so to give these guys some sense of uniformity-ish, I just stacked them all up as evenly as possible and clamped them in the vise there, and I'm going to cut the other 3 to try to match this one as closely as possible. They don't need to be perfect. If I was going for perfect, I'd weld them together and do all that stuff, but like I said before, this is for me, not for anybody else, so close enough works, especially today. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag close enough. Like I said, doesn't need to be perfect. It's pretty good, pretty close. Probably ruined another shirt, but oh well. Sorry, Diesel Dave. Let the fan blow on those, cool them off a little bit before I mess around with them more, and take a little break, make sure I keep myself in moving order. And right after I said I wasn't going to weld them together, I'm going to weld them together, because I want to drill the holes all at the same time, or try to. You ever see me grab this thing and just like randomly do something? There's a reason. I'm not sure how well it's going to pick up on camera. Yeah, you can't really see it.
But if it looks extra foggy right along the leg of that deal right there, there's probably 200 baby black widows right there, and another 200 or so up there. Because, yeah. I need a bigger flamethrower. Lots of creepy crawlies. I probably only got half of them. Whoopsie! Oh, you didn't even see it. I just snapped off my drill bit. record, all the paint that I have, all the black paint that I have is all flat black. So it will all dry to be, you know, like that. Won't be shiny. That's fine. I mean, it's going under the truck, so why would it need to be? So I think I'm going to call it here for now. It's really hard for me to get around right now, and I've spent a couple hours getting this done tonight. So I think we're going to call this a three-parter. Now that the frame is pretty much done, I'll touch the paint up, we'll be good to go there. And then the next part will mount that, mount the compressor, mount the air tank, air lines, power line. We'll run it up to the front. Yeah. So, guess that's it for now. As always, take care. If you can, spread the word to your friends. I could always, use a little more help with the subscriber count, and I'd love to see more comments. We don't get very many comments yet. If you have any questions, criticisms, whatever, throw them in there. I read every single one, and I do my best to at least acknowledge or respond to every single one if it's a question. Other than that, I love you. We'll see you next time.